Students, today we are discussing about rational numbers. Subject is mathematics. Class 8 standard. Bridge course. Unit is rational numbers. Dear students, we are discussing in our previous year classes about rational numbers. Today we are recall those concepts. First is in the rational numbers, the important points is the rational number meaning. Second is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of rational numbers. Third one is properties of rational numbers. Next one is exercise questions. Okay, now what is rational numbers? So, what is rational numbers? We study that one first. We know that some of the numbers which are first one is natural number. Dear students, natural number is starting with 1. Starting with 1. What numbers are called rational numbers? For we are all counting the objects, our surroundings. Counting the objects, our surroundings. Okay, we start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. Like that, numbers are called natural numbers. Like the numbers are called natural numbers. The natural numbers, all counting numbers are called rational numbers. All counting numbers are called rational numbers. 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5, and so on are all called natural numbers. The natural numbers is denoted by capital N. Okay, students, next one is the natural numbers is add with 0, then it forms the set of whole numbers. What are whole numbers? The whole number is starting with 0. What are whole numbers? The whole numbers are all natural numbers including with 0. That set is called the set of whole numbers. The set of whole numbers, for example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, those are all called as a whole numbers. Those are all called whole numbers. The set of whole numbers is denoted by capital W. Capital W. Next one is integers. Okay, the set of whole numbers with negative numbers is called as a set of integers. The set of integers containing negative, 0, and positive natural numbers are called set of integers. Are called set of integers. Dear students, for example, 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 all positive natural numbers, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and so on are all negative natural numbers. Therefore, the set of all 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and so on are called set of integers. Set of integers. Next one is, so what is rational numbers? The unit. Okay, the unit today class is rational numbers. What is rational number? What is rational number? Dear students, you have to observe this one. Any number that can be expressed in the form of P by Q, in the form of P by Q is called rational number. Any number that can be expressed in the form of P by Q, that number is called as a rational number. Okay, for example, P is also integer, Q is also integer, but Q is not equal to 0. Such a number is called as a rational number. All natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers can be written in the form of P by Q by taking their denominator as 1. By taking the denominator as 1. For example, 7. 7 is a natural number. This can be written as 7 by 1. This is called rational number because this number is expressed in the form of p by q. Minus 11, it is an integer. This can be written as minus 11 by 1. It is also a rational number. Okay, 0. 0 is a whole number that can be written as 0 by 1. It is also whole number. They are all rational numbers. All natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers, all are rational numbers. All are rational numbers. Then the rational numbers, for example, for rational number is 4 by 7, 11 by 2, minus 9 by 5, or these are all the examples for rational numbers. Then these numbers are in the form of quotient or fraction. These are all in the form of quotients or fractions. Therefore, the set of all rational number is denoted by Q. Therefore, the set of all rational number is denoted by Q. The set of rational number is denoted by Q. Denoted by Q. Next one is rational numbers can also be expressed in the form of decimal numbers. The rational numbers can also be expressed in the form of decimal numbers. For examples, 81 by 6, that is equal to 13.5. Okay, second example is 7 by 8, that is equal to 0.875. These are all called terminating. These are all called terminating because they are having end point. For example, another one, 4 by 3, it is dividing 4 by 3, 1.333, and so on. Similarly, 9 by 11, 9 by 11 is equal to 0.8181, and so on. These are all called non-terminating. Okay, these decimal numbers are either terminating or non-terminating recurring decimals. These decimal numbers are in their terminating or non-terminating recurring decimals. The next one is rational numbers are also expressed in the form of decimals, therefore terminating either non-terminating recurring decimals. Next one is the rational numbers can be expressed using Venn diagrams as follow. This is the Venn diagram of rational numbers. Okay, observe here. All natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers all are called rational numbers. All are called rational numbers. Okay, next one is you are observe this one. All terminating or non-terminating recurring decimals numbers or rational numbers. All terminating and non-terminating recurring decimals are all called as a rational numbers also. Next one is the exercise problems. State true or false. If false, give the reason in support of your answer. Every natural number is a rational number. It is true or false? Yes, it is a true because every natural number is also called rational numbers. 0 is the smallest rational number. It is false. It is the false because in rational numbers all negative, positive, 0, all our numbers are called as a rational numbers because 0 is the smallest number of whole number. It is not a rational number. Therefore, this statement is false. This statement is false. Next one is some rational numbers are not whole numbers. It is right. Some rational numbers are not whole numbers. For example, minus 5 by 3 or minus 1 by 2, it is a rational number but not whole number. Therefore, it is a true. It is a true. Some rational numbers are not whole numbers. Next one is there is no rational number which is not a fraction. It is false. There is no rational number which is not a fraction. It is the false. Okay, next, second exercise. Which of the following are positive rational numbers? We have to discuss about which are the positive and which are the negative. Okay, this is minus 7 by 17 is a negative. Okay, this one is minus minus get cancel. It is a positive. Okay, it is the minus 35 divided by minus 13 minus 35 by 13 is a negative. It is also positive. 14 by 27 is a positive. This is also negative, students. Next, we deeply discuss negatives and positives of a rational numbers. Okay, first, next one is comparison of rational numbers. Comparison of rational numbers. For examples, in case 1, when same denominators, when the given rational numbers having the same denominator, how it is we compare? We compare the numerators. Denominators are equal, then compare the numerator. Here 3 is the numerator, 1 is the numerator. Therefore 3 is greater than 1. 3 is greater than 1. Therefore 3 is 1 is less than 3. 1 is less than 3. Therefore we return this one is 3 by 7 is greater than 1 by 7. 3 by 7 is greater than 1 by 7. 3 by 7 is greater than 1 by 7. Okay. 3 by 7 it is the greater than the 1 by 7. Next, second case, when same denominators. When same denominators. In case second, when same denominators, 8 by 9 less than 8 by 6, because numerators are same. When same numerators 8 and 8 numerators are equal, then compare the denominators. Therefore then compare the denominators. Here observe this one, 9 is greater than 6. Therefore it is less than 8 by 9 is less than 8 by 6. 8 by 9 is less than 8 by 6. Next, when mixed type, 3 by 4, 7 by 2, 1 by 6, all first we take the LCM of the denominators. We take the LCM of the denominators. Therefore 4, 2, 6, the LCM of 4 to 6 is 12. Therefore we have to take denominator is equal LCM, that is equal to 3 by 3, multiply 3 by 3. Therefore 9 by 12, because LCM is equal. Next 7 by 2, it is multiply numerator denominator was 6 by 6. Therefore 42 by 12. Again next one is 2 by 2, that is equal to 2 by 12. Okay, denominators are equal. Denominators are equal. Then compare the numerators. 42 is greater than 9. 9 is greater than 2. Therefore 42 by 12 is greater than 9 by 2. 9 by 2 is greater than 2 by 12. Therefore 7 by 2, 7 by 2 greater than 3 by 4, greater than 1 by 6. It is the comparison of rational numbers. Like that you compare the rational numbers. Like that you compare the rational numbers. Next, to draw the number line and represent the following rational numbers in the number line. First one is 3 by 4, students. 3 by 4. Okay, first draw a line. We'll draw a straight line. There starting with 0, it is 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4, 5 by 4, and so on. Like that, minus 1 by 4, minus 3 by 4, minus 2 by 4, minus 3 by 4, minus 4 by 4, minus 5 by 4, minus 6 by 4, minus 7 by 4, okay, minus 8 by 4, like that. Here we compare that one. The rational number 3 by 4, it is the point in the number line, it is 3 by 4. Like that, minus 7 by 4 is this number is minus 7 by 4. Like that, minus 5 by 8. Therefore, draw a one straight line starting with 0 start. This is equal to 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, like that. Then starting with from 0 to left side minus 1 by 8, minus 3 by 8, minus 4 by 8, minus 5 by 8, minus 6 by 8. Then identify or draw the line minus 5 by 8, students. Minus 5 by 8, like that. Okay, next one is equivalent rational numbers. Rational number can be written with the different numerators and denominators. For example, consider the rational number 2 by 3. It can be written as, okay, 2 by 3. We multiplied 2 on both numerator and denominator. When then we got 4 by 6. We got 4 by 6. We say that 2 by 3 is same as the 4 by 6. 2 by 3 is same as the 4 by 6. Like the 2 by 3, it is multiplied by 5 by 5. That is equal to 10 by 15. Therefore, 2 by 3 is also same as 10 by 15. 10 by 15. Okay, therefore, we written as, okay, therefore, 2 by 3 is equal to 4 by 6 is equal to 10 by 15. Such a rational numbers are equal to other, are said to be equivalent to each others. Therefore, minus 10 by 15 is equal to minus 10 by 15. Is it right? Yes, it is right. By multiplying the numerator and denominator by a rational number by the same non-zero integer, so obtain another rational number equivalent to the given rational number. This is exactly like obtaining equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions. Like the students, very simple. You okay? For example, write the given rational number. It is multiplied same number to the numerator and denominator. Then we got another one rational number. Those are all called equivalent rational numbers. Those are all called equivalent rational numbers. Next one is 8 by minus 3 is a negative rational number. We know that 8 by minus 3 is equal to 8 by minus 1, okay, divided by minus 3 into minus 1, that is equal to minus 8 divided by 3, okay, minus 8 by 3, therefore it is a negative rational number. Therefore minus 8 by 3 is a negative rational number. Therefore 8 by minus 3 is also a negative rational numbers. Similarly, all 5 by minus 7, 6 by minus 5, 2 by minus 9, all are called negative rational numbers. Note that their numerator are positive and denominator are negative. Thus, they are called negative rational numbers. The number 0 is either a positive or a negative rational number. The number 0 is either positive or negative of rational number. Next, what about minus 3 by minus 5? It is a positive. Minus 3 by minus 5, it is a positive, because minus 3 by minus 5 is equal to minus 3 into minus 1 divided by minus 5 into minus 1, that is equal to minus into minus plus 3 into 1, 3, okay, minus into minus plus 5 1 ja 5, that is equal to plus 3 by 5. It is also a positive integer. Therefore minus 3 by minus 5 is a positive rational number. All minus 2 by minus 5, minus 5 by minus 3, etc. all are called positive rational numbers. All are called positive rational numbers. So what is the definition of positive rational numbers? Okay, both numerator and denominator of these numbers are positive integers. Such a rational numbers are called positive rational numbers. Okay, both numerator and denominator. Both numerator and denominator of these numbers are positive numbers. Such a numbers are called positive rational numbers. The numerator of 3 by 5 is a negative integer, whereas the denominator is a positive integer. Such a rational number is called as a negative rational numbers. Is called as a negative rational numbers. So minus 5 by 7, minus 3 by 8, minus 9 by 5, etc. all are called as a negative rational numbers. Negative rational numbers. Next one is the rational numbers in standard form. Observe the rational numbers 3 by 5, minus 5 by 8, 2 by 7, minus 7 by 11. Here, the denominator of these rational numbers are positive integers, and 1 is the only common factor between the numerator and denominator. Further, the negative sign occurs only in the numerator. Such a rational numbers are said to be standard form. Such a rational numbers are said to be standard form of the rational numbers. Okay, these are all called 3 by 5, minus 5 by 8, 2 by 7, minus 7 by 11. All are called standard form of rational numbers because the denominator of these rational numbers are positive integers and 1 is the only common factor between the numerator and denominators. Further, the negative sign occurs only in the numerator. Such rational numbers are all called as a positive standard form of a rational numbers. All are called as a standard form of a rational numbers. Next one is, students, reduce minus 45 divided by 30 to the standard form. Okay, we have to reduce this one. The given problem is minus 45 divided by 30. It is reduced to the standard form. When we know that standard form, for example, we solve this one minus 45 by 30. It is dividing by 3. Then we got, okay, minus 15 divided by minus 15 divided by 10. So this is also again divided by minus 15 by 10, again divided by 5 by 5. Therefore minus 15 divided by 5 divided by all divided by 10 divided by 5 is equal to minus 3 by 2. This minus 3 by 2, it is called as a standard form of rational numbers. Then divide twice 3 and 5 times it could done by minus 3 by 2. Thus this is called as a standard form of rational numbers minus 3 by 2. If next note that 15 is the SCF of 45 and 30. Therefore, thus we reduce the rational number to its standard form. We divide its numerator and denominator by their SCF, ignoring the negative sign, if any. For the reason of the ignoring the negative sign will be studied in higher classes. If the negative sign of the denominator is divided by minus SCF. When we divide this one by minus SCF. Next one is do 4 by minus 9 and minus 16 by 36 represent the same rational numbers. Yes, these two are called 4 divided by minus 9 and minus 16 by 36 are the same rational numbers. Because these two are same, yes, because 4 by 9 is multiplied by minus 4 and minus 4 on both numerator and denominator, then we get minus 16 by 36. Minus 16 by 36. This is equal to minus 16 by 36. This is equal to minus 4 by 9. That is equal to minus 4 by 9. Therefore, it is called, these two are called as a same equivalent fractions of the rational numbers. Okay, therefore these two are equal fractions. Next, least three rational numbers between minus 2 and minus 1. Okay, solution. Let us write minus 1 and minus 2 as a rational number with denominator 5. Okay, therefore minus 1 is written as minus 5 by 5 and minus 2 is written as minus 10 by 5. Okay, 5 1 ja 5, that is equal to minus 1. Again 5 1 ja 5 2 ja, that is equal to minus 2. Okay, minus 2 can be written as minus 10 by 5. Minus 1 can be written as minus 5 by 5. Therefore, so minus 10 by 5 less than minus 9 by 5, minus 8 by 5, minus 7 by 5, minus 6 by 5, minus 5 by 5. Okay, or minus 2, minus 9 by 5, minus 8 by 5, minus 7 by 5, minus 6 by 5 less than minus 1. Therefore, the three rational numbers between minus 2 and minus 1 would be minus 8 by 5, minus 9 by 5, minus 8 by 5 and minus 7 by 5. Therefore, we take three numbers minus 9 by 5, minus 8 by 5, minus 7 by 5, minus 6 by 5. These are all the numbers between minus 1 and minus 2 and minus 1. Next one is write 4 more numbers in the following pattern like that: minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 6, minus 3 by 3, minus 4 by 12, and so on. Solution: here we take this one, minus 2 by 6 is equal to minus 1 by 3 into 2 by 2. Next, again, minus 3 by 9 is equal to minus 3 by 1, 3 into 3 into 3. That is equal to minus 4 by 12 is written as minus 1 into 4 divided by 3 into 4. Here or observe that one, minus 1 into 1 divided by 3 into 1 is equal to minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 into 2 divided by 3 into 2 is equal to minus 2 by 6. Minus 1 into 3 by 3, that is equal to minus 3 by 9. That is equal to minus 1 by 3 into 4 by 4 is equal to minus 4 by 12. Therefore, the pattern of the numbers minus 1 by 3 into 5 by 5 is equal to minus 5 by 15. Like that, minus 1 by 3 into 6 by 6, that is equal to minus 6 by 18. Minus 1 by 3 into 7 by 7 is equal to minus 7 by 21. These are all the more 4 numbers of the same patterns. These are all the more 4 numbers of the same patterns. Next, we shall discuss about addition of rational numbers. Addition of rational numbers. For example, let us add minus 7 by 5 and minus 2 by 3. Minus 7 by 5 and minus 2 by 3. The LCM of denominators 5 and 3 is 15. Okay, the LCM of denominators is 5 and 3 is 15. Therefore, the LCM of minus 5 by minus 1 by 5 is equal to minus 21 by 15, and minus 2 by 3 is equal to minus 10 by 15. Therefore, minus 7 by 5 plus minus 2 by 3 is equal to minus 21 divided by 15 plus minus 10 divided by 15. Okay, denominators are equal, add directly the numerators. Minus 21 plus minus 10 is equal to minus 31 divided by 15. Minus 31 divided by 15. Minus 31 divided by 15. Next, multiplication, you have to same way you do that subtraction also. Okay, the here addition, there is a subtraction. Only subtract the numbers when denominators are equals. Denominators are equal by doing the denominator equal and do that one as a equal. Next one is multiplication of rational numbers. Multiply the rational number minus 3 by 5 by 2. That is, we find minus 3 by 5 into 2. Okay, on the number line, it will meaning to join of 3 by 5 to the left. Okay, 3 by 5 through the left. Okay, this is the 0 by 5, minus 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5, minus 3 by 5. It is the number. Again, join 2. Okay, 1, 2, that is equal to, okay, we have to read this one, again multiply this one. That is equal to, multiply this minus 6 by 5. Minus 6 by 5. The product is 6 by 5. Therefore, we find this one minus 3 by 5 into, it will be divided fraction to the numerator, that is equal to minus 3 by 2 into 2 by 5, that is equal to minus 6 by 5. We have that same rational numbers. Minus 6 by 5 with the product of minus 3 by 5 into 2. Next, division. Next is division. For example, Savita divide a rational number 4 by 9 by another rational number minus 5 by 7. It means 9 by 4 divided by minus 5 by 7. This is equal to 4 by 9 into when 7 by 5. Divide, it is becomes a multiplication. The numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator of the second rational number, that is equal to 7 divided by minus 5. That is equal to 7 4 the 28 divided by minus 45. That is also, it is written in the standard form, that is minus 28 divided by 45. Minus 28 divided by 45. She used this idea to the reciprocal of the done in the fractions. Next, first arrived 4 by 9 into 5 by 7, that is got 28, cross multiplication 28 divided by 49. We've said that 4 by 9 divided by minus 5 by 7 is equal to minus 28 divided by 45. How did she get that? He divide the same fraction, ignore the negative sign, put in the negative sign in the value of is of tan. That is both them have got the same value, that is minus 28 by 45, and dividing 2 by 3 by minus 5 by 7, both you see your answers are same. Your answers are same. Again students, last one is homework. Homework is find the sum. Again find the subtraction is also same. Again find the product. Next find the value of this one, division. Okay, next one is homework is least 5 rational number between minus 1 and 0, minus 2 and minus 1, minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 3, minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3, etc. Write the 4 rational number between the minus 3 by 5, minus 6 by 10, minus 9 by 15, minus 12 by 20, and minus 1 by 4, minus 2 by 8, minus 3 by 12, and so on. Okay students, thank you for one and all.